Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of renaming a PDF file in Google Drive. Whether you're using the mobile app or the web version, these steps will help you keep your files organized and easily identifiable. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, navigate to Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in your Drive, take a moment to locate the PDF file that you want to rename. This is crucial as it sets the stage for the next steps. Now, find the PDF you wish to rename. Next to it, you'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent more options. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu that provides various actions you can take with the file. In this menu, look for the option that says Rename. Clicking on this will allow you to change the name of your PDF file. A text box will appear where you can enter the new name. Here's your chance to be creative or clear. Choose a name that reflects the content of the PDF for easy identification later. After typing in your new name, it's time to finalize this change. Click on the Rename button to confirm your new file name. This step is essential as it saves your changes and updates the file in your Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your PDF file in Google Drive. This straightforward process not only helps you manage your files better, but also enhances your productivity by making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Remember, keeping your files organized is key to maintaining an efficient workflow. So next time you need to rename a PDF or any other file in Google Drive, just follow these simple steps and enjoy a more organized digital workspace. Thank you for joining us today, and happy organizing.